The goal of my research really is to advance the necessary and much needed technology for space exploration, particularly human space exploration. And I think this is something that has tremendous values, both in terms of economical and national security, as well as inspirational. I'm just proud and happy to have this opportunity to work on that and at the environment like San Diego State University. We are working on some of the cutting edge of space exploration activities this nation is embarking on. Through the years of hard work and this is a collective effort, we are at the point where we have very good confidence the algorithms that we develop will perform very well, accurately, and reliably in guiding a mission for landing humans on Mars. How exciting and how difficult it is to land human on Mars. That is something that no nation has ever attempted. Faculty and students at this university are working diligently trying to develop technology and making a contribution to that final goal. I believe the work that we are doing will directly benefit the eventual success of landing human on Mars, and that is what motivating us and driving us every day. And we are extremely proud to be part of that.